Welcome back to my series. Today we are in Zimbabwe for our final episode. We've journeyed across this incredible continent and we're closing strong.
Feel fine. My life is a journey, so I'ma just live life. Whatever I'm doing, I do with a good mind. So I'ma just sit tight and do a jet, curse the enemy. Only thing they do is just to kill the energy. Me and the fight, I just say do my thing gently. Anything you want, you better put in everything, yeah. This is not a dream. Gotta wake up now and try to face reality. Problems in my mind and it's very hard to sleep. In spite of everything, I'ma do it gently, yeah. Gently, yeah.
Oh yeah, jump on it, but no the rush, no the to the pumpery. You know, say if you plan, you go chop on it. If you do with us, you must shake body. Oh yeah, shake body, baby wine for me. Oh yeah, put body. Everything go set, including for me. Girls, food and drinks, it go day plenty. Don't worry, it's cool, not jet jelly.
And do a jet, curse the enemy. Only thing they do is just to kill the energy. Me and the fight, I just say do my thing gently. Anything you want, you better put in everything, yeah. This is not a dream. Gotta wake up now and try to face reality. Problems in my mind and it's very hard to sleep. In spite of everything, I'ma do it gently, yeah. Gently, yeah.
That's a wrap on Africa. What a journey it's been. This continent delivered every time. I want to say thank you for cooking with me. Well, now that it's done, let's give it a try. Now we begin the next phase of the journey. Asia, episode 1, Afghanistan, new continent, new flavors. I can't wait to explore with you. See you there.